Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to have some crushed concrete brought in by Accurate Excavators of Muskegon. Get the old concrete in here and spread out. Luke will with the Kubota. Get her all spread out, and then over the summer she'll get all packed down and ready for winter. So sit back and enjoy.
Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks Dad for that great intro. But instead of using the Kubota, we are going to be using a 287D Cat skid steer we did borrow from work. So here's the 22A crushed concrete that we're going to be using for the driveway. As you can see, the driveway's in dire need. But we're going to take you a walk back here to the pole barn, where we're going to be doing a parking area, and in front of the barn to help reduce, I'm bringing some dirt in. So we're gonna get the skid steer fired up, get it warmed up, because it's a little bit cold here early Saturday morning. It's still a little bit dark, but we're gonna let that warm up and then eat a sandwich we got from McDonald's. But here's the lead load back here, 20 yards. We're gonna spread all out in here and over here for the parking area. This is what we're gonna be using. I could have used the Kubota, but this will go a heck of a lot faster. Like I said, this is a 289 Cat skid steer, but this is gonna go a lot faster with this than the Kubota. So we'll get this all spread out, and we'll get you guys set up on a time lapse and some angles on the boom and stuff. So let's get this baby fired up and warmed up here. And now last night I did use this Wacker Newson diesel compactor to compact this whole area here. And level it out so that's nice and tight for the gravel to go in there. So let's get this baby fired up and ready to go. We got it all spread out here in the back. Took about an hour and a half. We got to add a little bit more here on this edge and over there. I'll grab it with the Kubota though, so I don't tear up the yard from the front pit pile. And then this is all pretty much smoothed out. We track packed it in, so it's looking good. We'll check back in. All right, here's the gravel, crushed concrete, and this is what the driveway looks before. So it's pretty beat up, pretty bad. It hasn't been done in quite some time, so we try to drag it every year, but it's just getting to the point where we had to get some crushed concrete in here. So this is what it is, all the way out to the road. It's pretty bad. It's like a sandy pea stone, so we got it all packed out by the road where it was low and added some sand, and pretty hard to add this crushed concrete on top. So this is what we're going to be spreading down, and we're going to be freshening up this path to this little barn here and up by the circle drive. So stick with us for some fun, and we'll show you how it's going to come along. Anything's going to be better than it is, so stay tuned. All right, go.
Keep going.
All right, guys, check it out. The driveway is done. We got done about 1 o'clock, 1:30, and we started at 7:30 this morning with the driveway and by the barn. So we ended up adding it right there. And all the way down. So that is gonna look really, really nice. So let's take you out here by the barn, but we ended up bringing the posi track back to work, and that was much appreciated to use that because that saved us a lot of time. That is a lot faster than using the Kubota. And we'll take you a walk out here by the barn, and it ended up being a really nice out today. We also got our sprinklers going too for the first time this year. We got those going for the season, so we got those on over here. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but we got those going, so that'll help because it's been really kind of in a drought here. The snow all melted and we haven't had no rain. So, but this is the pad out by the barn. This is what our main reason for the concrete was, crushed concrete, but we got some for the driveway since we were gonna have the skid steer here. So we got a nice big pad out here, and then a nice pad over here for our single and double axle trailer. So it all looks really, really good and a lot better. So it's all tracked, packed in, and then smoothed back out, both the driveway and this. So we'll have some minor blemishes to fix up, but we can do that with the Kubota and a little bit more crushed concrete if we have to get it in here or whatever. But other than that, it looks really good. That 289 cat did a hell of a job. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching today, and stay tuned for more videos on outdoors things as we move forward here towards the summer, and a lot more firework videos coming up. But next week we're going to be getting into the food plots and planting those, and then we're going to overseeding video coming up. So if you like what you see, or scroll down on some of our other videos and watch those, and if you like that, be sure to subscribe to our channel because there's plenty more of that coming. But we'll just take in the rest of this nice day here. It's about 60 and sunny in West Michigan today. So what a beautiful Saturday. We got a lot accomplished with redoing the whole driveway and that pad back there. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next go around.